Hi everybody. Now, when teacher teaches you things in class, you have to listen. You have to look. You have to pay attention. If you're not doing those things, when it comes time for you to do it, you can't do it. You have to be on time. You have to be paying attention. You can't go to sleep in class and sit there like a zombie, right? Not going to work. If you're late, you're going to miss things. You've got to be on time, you've got to be paying attention. This applies to everything, but it's especially important with maths. Now, these questions seem to be a problem, and the problem is that you weren't listening. So let's look at them again, and then we'll give you the answers. The thing you have to understand is that if there's just numbers, this is a simple thing. Then when there are words, you have to use the words. You have to read the words and understand what you're being told to do. So, the first thing you have to understand is what 8 times 10 is. And then you have to think about the words in this. It's a sentence. You have to understand the meaning. You have to do what it says. So, the first thing we have is 8 times 10. 8 times 10 equals 80. 7 times 10 equals 70. Now, so 8 by 10 is. Then we have more than. So this is more than this. This is what we're doing in this question. We're looking for more than. How much more is this than this? So the difference between these two is the answer for here. So it's 80 minus 70 equals 10. So the answer is 10. And you can do that looking at this. You have 80. You have 70. The difference between the two is 10. Right? This is all you're being asked to do, but it requires you to read the words and think. This is the same question with different numbers. 3 times 10 equals 30. Is more than 1 times 10 equals 10. 30 minus 10 equals 20. So the answer here is 20. And you can find that here. Here's 30, here's 10. 1, 2. 2 tens is the difference between these two. This is more than. That is your answer. And the same applies all the time. You have to use the words to get the answer.